Hey everybody! So if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Sherry Bali and I have helped many women in the past to lose weight and to stay fit, and through my programs I continue to help more and more women like you. Say hi if you girls are watching. Today I'm going to give you the recipe of detox water. Now many women messaged me on my page and various other social media platforms saying that Sherry, what is your weight loss tip? Please give us some weight loss tips. And I always say, if you girls have been following me, that the number one weight loss tip is to drink enough water. Very important. Now I would love to know from you girls, how many of you enjoy having a glass of water? Type water in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. If not, just type don't like water. I would love to hear from you. So water or don't like water. I love these sessions being very interactive with you, and so that is it. Having enough water, 3 liters a day, is really going to help you in that weight loss, and I know many of us struggle to have with that glass of water. Now this is not a boring YouTube video. You're more than welcome to participate and write water or do not like water, so I know how many of you actually enjoy water and how many of you would love to have a detox water if you don't like the natural water flavor. Alright, so what I have here now today is a jug of water here. Hi Tina, hi Pushpa. So this is a jug of water, and if you've been following me, you would know I always carry a glass jug. Like I always drink water in a glass jug. Do not drink water in a plastic jug. It is not good for you. Even if it says BPA free, somehow the chemicals of the plastic would enter into a water. So when you're storing water, do have this water from a glass jug. Type glass jug in the comments below if you have water from the glass jug, and would love to hear from you girls. All right, so glass jug is right here, and it's always good in the detox water to add a fruit. And the fruit I'm going to share with you today is a summer fruit. Now, how many of you have summer in your country? Type summer in the comments below. And how many of you have winter? Type winter in the comments below. Now, you can pick up any fruit of your choice, but it's summer here in Australia. So I have picked up a peach here. So it smells very sweet, really nice. Say hi if you girls are watching, and how many of you love peach? Type peach in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Tina says summer, beautiful. Yes, it is summer here in Melbourne, and whichever part of the world you are, let me know what is the season. Is it summer or is it winter? Even if you're watching the replay of this video. All right, so I have a knife here and a peach. What I'm going to do is just chop this peach, and this peach is so juicy. I can see all the juice like just coming out of the peach. So I'm just going to cut this peach into big 4 chunks, and one other small chunk here from the seed. And nothing gets wasted in my house. My kids are going to eat this, I know. All right, so here we go. I'm going to just open this jug and put peach. Type peach in the comments below if you girls enjoy peach, and do share this video on your with your friends and family, so it gets stored in your timeline. Whenever you want to get back to this detox water, you can do that. So sharing the video will also help putting the video on your timeline. All right, so you don't lose this recipe. All right, so the next ingredient here is this. Any guesses what is this? I would love to know from you girls. What is this? Come on, tell me. Here it goes. Smells awesome. Smells really good in summer. It's a herb. It's an organic herb from my garden. And any idea what is this? Type in the comments below, what do you think this is? Yeah? Mint. Tina says mint. Beautiful. You guys rock. This is mint. So I'm just going to put some mint here. Now, this is organic mint from my garden. And I just love putting the whole chunks here. Say hi if you guys are watching. Would love to hear from you. Those of you who just joined, we're doing the recipe of detox water. That's the number 1 recipe of weight loss, having detox water. All right, so the next spice I have here is great for weight loss. It will help to increase your metabolism. And I really recommend this spice, and it's there in so many of my programs. And what I have here is also this, which is a cinnamon stick. cinnamon stick. Now cinnamon stick is great for cinnamon is great for weight loss, increases your metabolism, it gives great flavor to your water, and it's really good for your overall health and well-being. It's also very good to put this on the desserts and all the other recipes that you have, but I'm going to put this in a water. So one small is okay, do not put too much, otherwise it's going to make the flavor of water very, very strong. Alright, so here I have this cinnamon stick which goes in. Now what we need to do is I'm going to close this jug. As you can see here, what a beautiful detox water. You know what? My kids absolutely love it, and especially it's great for your kids as well, great for you, for your weight loss, great for your entire family. And those of you who have just joined in, just share this video so it's in your timeline and you're not going to lose this recipe of this amazing detox water. It is one of my favorites, and those of you who love sweet, who have sweet cravings, so you know, for me sweet cravings is in the afternoon after lunch around 4 o'clock. So when you have sweet cravings, instead of just going for your cookies or going for your chocolates, what you need to do is just have this detox water. It's going to help you so much in getting rid of your sweet cravings, because the kind of detox water, the ingredients we have here, is going to help you in your weight loss and with your sweet cravings. And if you girls struggle to have water, just type do not like water or type water if you normally have water. So I have many such beautiful recipes for you in the upcoming challenge on Monday. So this challenge is for you girls. We have women from all over the world who are joining us, from UK, USA, from Dubai, from New Zealand, Australia, India. So we have had women from China in the past. So it is amazing for you women. We all of us coming together, like-minded women, supporting each other and doing this fabulous challenge together. This challenge is for weight loss. We have veg, non-veg, continental, Indian options. And I know you girls are going to see amazing results, how we have seen results in the past. This is just one of the recipes I have here for you. There are so many recipes I'm going to give you in that challenge, and we all are going to do it together. We have a Facebook group where we have all the women putting their pictures, what they're eating. I'm going to give you what to eat for your breakfast, lunch, dinner, for your snacks. And there is no starvation, it is whole meal, and we eat almost 5 times a day. That's right, 5 times a day. It's a wholesome diet. I don't believe in like no carbs. Carbs are very, very important for you. To some amount, carbs are very important to some extent. They're great for your brain function. You have a better focus, and it is important for your body. I always believe in having balanced, wholesome diet, and that is what the program is all about. So if you don't know where to go, just type info in the comments below, and my team will send you a link to join this challenge starting on Monday. And I would love you all I would love to help you in your weight loss goals, in your weight loss journey. And I know you girls have it in you to lose weight. If you're watching me right now, I know that you can lose weight. I'm here to help you. I'm here to motivate you. And I'm here to really rock your fitness world. So just type info in the comments below. My team will send you a link where to go and enjoy this yummy recipe, amazing recipe. And this is great for your kids, a little sweet, and you can have this any time of the day. Also, I want to tell you, if it is summer in your country, you can store this detox water in your fridge. So instead of reaching out for some soft drinks like Coke, Fanta, or any sports drink, you don't need any of them. All you need is this flavored water. Even if you have guests in the house, you have this in the fridge. Instead of offering them some Coke, Pepsi, Fanta, Sprite, you can offer them this beautiful detox water. They're going to love you. They're going to appreciate you. Or even having any juices that you get in the market that are full of sugars. What you need to do is just, have this detox water instead of having all those juices as well that are high in calories. If you have been following me, you girls know I always say do not drink your calories, and just eat your calories and just have a detox water like this. Now, if you're storing this outside, because peach is highly perishable, I will not recommend you to use this more than 24 hours. You need to change your water. But yes, if this is in the fridge, it can last you easily up to 2 days. What you can do is, as the water gets over, you can actually keep on adding more water in here and store this in your fridge. Very, very excited for all the women who are joining us Monday. So excited for you. If you don't know where to go, just type yes in the comments below and my team will send you a link where to go and register for the challenge on Monday. All right. So I got a question here. I saw that peach is not available. What else can I put? So you can put any sweet fruit. You can even try mango. I know mango is a summer fruit. Any winter fruit also you can try. Oranges are great as well. You can even try oranges. Or masami. Masami is that hard orange which is a little light in color. You can keep that also in your jug and you can just add some cinnamon and some mint from your garden and it's going to taste really, really good. I also would recommend you to wash these ingredients very, very well since you're making detox water. So what I've done with this peaches, as you can see in this steel container, I had soaked my peach for almost 10 minutes in some salt water. So, it gets rid of all the pesticides and I rinsed it very, very well. And then I've put this in this jug. So do rinse your fruits and vegetables very, very nicely that you're going to make the detox water recipe. So because it's going to be in your water throughout the day. So you want to have the most healthy ingredients in here. Also, if you can find organic peaches or organic oranges, which I couldn't find any organic peaches this time in the supermarket. But if you're using organic, that is the best way to go about it. Beautiful guys, and if you want me to give you more flavored water recipe, just type 1 in the comments below. I'm going to come up with more recipes for flavored water for weight loss. So all of you can lose weight and stay fit. Let's make this world a beautiful place where everybody is fit, everybody has lots of energy, and we can make this world a beautiful place with so much of fitness, so much of energy, so much of positive vibe, and so much of love. Also starting from Monday, very, very excited. Let's get rolling and let's get rocking for the challenge on Monday. Type info in the comments below. And those of you who have just joined, and my team will send you a link where to go and what to do to join the challenge. Let me tell you, it is super, super affordable. Invest in your health, women, because I see so many of us being moms, give everything to our family. We do so much for our kids, we do so much for our husband, we do so much for our entire family, and our health takes a back seat. And that is why I'm so passionate about women's health. I want you to take that step for yourself. Do this program for yourself. Invest in yourself. Step up, I congratulate women who step up and they come to my programs because I'm like, you have taken the first step for your good health. You're doing something for yourself and that itself is beautiful. Each of you watching me right now, you girls are beautiful. You girls are awesome. You deserve the best of the best. And I would love to help you reach your weight loss goals and your fitness goals because I know you girls are amazing and you girls can do it. So that's what I do in the programs. I motivate you, I take your hand and I just push you to go through, to really do it, to get rid of your old habits of packet foods where you just sit with a pack of biscuit and you can finish the whole biscuit. I don't want that for you. I don't want any diseases for you. I want you to live healthy. Let's make this planet a beautiful, healthy, fit planet. And fitness is not difficult. Fitness is easy if you have the right community around you, if you have the people with the right mindset. And that is why mindset coaching is very, very important. And I do mindset coaching for you in my programs. How many of you are watching me for the first time? Write first time in the comments below. Or just type hi and new in the comments below. Even if you're watching the replay, I would love to connect with all of you. Beautiful girls. So just type info in the comments below. My team will send you a link. And cheers to this recipe. Cheers to goodness, cheers to good health, and cheers to all of you for a better planet, for all of us to be fit and healthy. Lots of love from Sherry Bali. I'm going to see you inside the program starting on Monday. I'm going to see you inside the Facebook group, and let's start rocking together. Lots of love. Bye.